Now we're going to continue on with the center group. We are starting at the pick up to 72, which is the word and on bar 71. We're going all the way to tell them things they don't know. On the word no, there's 4-part harmony. We're going to sing each harmony one after the other, starting with the lowest note. Then we'll go back and repeat. 1, 2, 3. And you and me, we'll be singing it like the birds. Me with music and you the words. Tell them things they don't know. Now we'll do the second note from the bottom, which is a G sharp, starting at tell them, and tell them things they don't know. Now we're going to the third note, which is a B, and tell them things they don't know. Now we're going to the fourth note, which is a C sharp, and tell them things they don't know. Okay, repeat after me. Let's go all the way back to pick up on bar 71. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Going on from there. 1, 2, here I go. Up to us now to show 'em. 1, 2, 3.
We're going, right?
Continuing on, we're doing the center part, starting with It's Our Time, Breathe It In. We're going to go all the way to Me and You, which is bar 91. And we're focusing on the lower part now. And it's our time, breathe it in. Worlds to change and worlds to win. Our time coming through. Me and you, yeah, me and you.
Joe, did you see I said our time
3.
there? But when I fixed it the second time. So maybe you could cut and paste it? I don't know. Do you want to do that?
Continuing on, if you are center right, you do what we call stage right half. If you're center left, you do stage left half. And there are parts that are only center that you will hear us point out. Okay, we're starting with the stage right half at Feel the Flow. And feel the flow, hear what's happening, we're what's happening. Don't you know, we're the movers and we're the shapers. We're the names in tomorrow's papers. Up to us now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, center group, we're starting at bar 102 and we're doing the center right part, but please, everybody learn both the center right and center left so you're familiar with it. This is highlighting the lower part. And now is the time to seize the day. Now is the time to seize the day. It's our heads on the block. Give us room and start the clock. Our dream coming true. Me and you, yeah. Me and you, me and you. me and you, 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 me and you. 1, 2, 3. Now we're continuing on with the center part, center left, highlighting the upper part. Now is the time to seize the day. Now is the time to seize the day. It's our heads on the block. Give us room and start the clock. Our dream coming true. Me and you. One, two,